Hello, today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Nokia 3.1 Plus. Make sure you plug it up first to the charger. Phone's gonna come on and show you that it's charging. And before you start anything, make sure that the phone is turned off completely. With this phone, it's a little bit different. You have to have it on the charger. When this picture comes up, we locate the power button and the volume up. Press and hold both. The phone will turn on. Continue to hold. When this picture come up, just release both. Just give it a few seconds. The options to factory reset it will come up in a few. Now normally it should come up by itself, but if not, you can press the volume up and the power. Press them and release. If that doesn't work, press it again. Now press all buttons. Now you scroll down all the way down to factory wipe data reset. To select, you have to press the power button. Press yes to confirm. Now your phone is wiped clean. Now what you need to do is reboot system. And that's it. Now with this phone is different, so you have to have it plugged in. Other phones you really don't need to plug them in. You can do it without a charger. However, this phone is a little bit different. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.